The BECE 2025 timetable na busu yomatisa no because of Nkremofo biggest festival that is the Eid al-Adha no enunti omatima yensan kakra ewo the timetable unim say it was supposed to start on the 9th June 2025. Now because of the festival omatimi changes, and now I am about to bring you the whole details, the news timetable that is out. I'm about to read all of the things for you. If you're watching us on TikTok, I will kindly urge you to go to our YouTube platform, Karma Studios, and then watch the full video. If you want the timetable on your phone too, you can also go to our YouTube platform. Under this video, I'll be leaving the link under the comment section so that you'll be able to download it on our Telegram page. Now click on my profile on TikTok, you see the YouTube link there. Yes, click on it, it will take you straight to our YouTube platform. The West African Examination Council Accra Basic Education Certificate Examination for School and Private Candidates 2025 new curriculum, final timetable, and the date. You know, say you was the BECE candidates, they were supposed to write on the 9th June, that is on Monday 2025. Now because of the Eid al-Adha, about on the 10th June, that starts on Tuesday. So the first paper, that is the paper code no A020/2. And the first paper is social studies, that is paper 2. And only AC 1 hour, and I'm about sure you will start on 9 a.m. and you will end at 10 a.m. Now paper 1 is the social studies 1, and that is the objectives, that is 45 minutes, and you will start on 10 a.m. to 10:45, that is 45 minutes long. And same Tuesday now you are writing 2 papers. So the second paper is the computing 2, that is the essay, and that will also last 1 hour 15 minutes, and also over start 1 p.m. to 2:15, that is the computing essay. And computing objectives, and also be lasting for 45 good minutes now, and also be starting on 2:15 and then end at 3 o'clock p.m. And on Wednesday you also have a paper to write, and that starts on a year with English paper 1, that is objectives, and also 50 minutes, and you start at 10 a.m. to 11 o'clock a.m. And then paper 2 is career technology, that is paper 2, and that is English language, that is the objectives. So the essay is 1 hour 10 minutes, and that starts at 9 a.m. to 10:15, and then you start the objectives at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And the paper 2 is the career technology, that is paper 2, which is the essay. You start that will also last around 1 hour 15 minutes, and so best start 1 p.m. to 12 p.m. And then career technology objectives, and also last 50 minutes, and so starting on starting at 2:15 and end at 3:05. The second day, the paper that you're going to write. So on the second day, you guys will be writing English and then career technology. So on Thursday, you also have a paper that is science objectives. No, science essay. Science essay, that is lasting for about 1 hour 25 minutes, and also best starting 9 a.m. and then end at 10:25 a.m. So you have same science now, that is the objectives, and also lasting 15 minutes, that is also 10:25 to 11:10 a.m. So on Thursday, science, and then Ghanaian language to write, and also on the Thursday. And when it comes to Friday, you have mathematics paper 2, that is the essay, that is going to last for 1 hour. It starts at 9 a.m. and it ends at 10 a.m. and mathematics objectives, and also lasting for 1 hour 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So on Friday, the first paper is mathematics, and let's go to paper 2. Paper 2 is religious and moral education essay, and so 1 hour 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and religious and moral education paper 2, that is the objectives, that lasts for 45 minutes 2 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. And then on Monday, because I wasn't starting Monday, nanka mutimi on a Friday, but because of the Eid al-Adha, they postponed this thing. We starting on Tuesday. So Monday you still have a paper until so on Saturday, Sunday you can rest, keep learning. Now we are facing Monday paper. So for those of the schools that learn French, and also mobile to me actual French on a Monday, French essay, and also 45 minutes. It starts at 9 a.m. and it ends at 9:45. Now you come to French paper 1, and that is the objectives 1 hour, and also 9:45 to 10:45. And then say Monday now you still have a paper that is the creative art and design, that is creative art and design paper 2, and essay 1 hour 15 minutes, starting 1 p.m. to 2:15. And you comes to the creative art and design paper 1, that is the objectives, and also 50 minutes. It starts at 2:15 and it ends at 3:05. And also they also on Tuesday for those of the schools Arabic, no, yes, English and Arabic, on the 17th of June 2025, and also more paper that is starting on Tuesday 17th June, more Arabic paper 1, that is paper 2, that is the essay 1 hour, starting 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Now and when it comes to paper 1, that is the objectives, and also lasting for 45 good minutes, and then it starts at 10 a.m. and it ends at 10:45, and also and somewhere. So when you look at the things it was supposed to start on Monday, but because of this this is the new changes that have been made. BECE what's the Emma wanting by somewhere Camera Studio. So subscribe to this platform on YouTube, follow us on TikTok, so that any update, Facebook too is self update, so that any update you get notified. Now this is the brief notification they wrote under the times table, and they are saying that both papers for each subject are to be taken at one sitting without a break. And they said that can say paper 1 maybe English language essay, no, we is anywhere. I don't just over sorry akwa 1990 and sana wasan betro the objectives, no, and yes anete wotro essay anywhere. You have to sit down and then continue with paper 2, that is the objectives. This anete nti and yes bia wotro we na wasora akwa 1990 and sana wasan betro to say the was for the year 90. So paper that is the first notification they are giving to us. And difference in time on question paper and timetable. Difference in time on question paper and timetable, yes. So time there wahano and the time on the question paper, no, they are different. So bear in mind. And I'm only the description about where the duration indicated on the question paper differs from that on table. That the one on the question paper should be followed. So the one on the question paper and so time there wahano. It could be say when it gets to the exam, so the time you might see some changes on the time. And also and number 3 is I say extra time for visually and hearing impaired candidate. So omoni any omaso no they have additional time a bit media mom visually and hearing impaired omoni ni omaso shada nya issue kakra ho. They also have advantage over the candidates with visual and hearing impairment are to be allowed additional 50% of the time allotted to other candidates. Inti say bia mo you 1 hour, omo betima 1 hour 50 minutes we letter tintin free WAEC head office Accra ababontia, and me do some Camera Studio. So if this is your first time, this is where we bring you the most important notification on your education. So kindly give us a follow, subscribe to our platform on YouTube, so there be any updates you get notified. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. Camera Edu. If today is your first time, click on the bell, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Facebook Salif Abdul, Instagram Sticky the Superstar, and I'm finally out.